on them, that stays forever. The behavioral change which we
मुख्यमंत्री कॉनरेड के संगमा ने माओलाई मावरो में सिटी ब्यूटिफिकेशन ड्राइव लॉन्च किया। ये मेघालय में शहरी मामलों के विभाग की एक पहल है जिसका मकसद शहरों को ज़्यादा साफ, हरा भरा और सुरक्षित बनाना है। इस ड्राइव का एक अहम हिस्सा सीसीटीवी सर्विलेंस सिस्टम लगाना और बेहतर स्ट्रीट लाइटिंग है, ताकि स्थानीय मुखियाओं द्वारा उठाई गई सुरक्षा चिंताओं को दूर किया जा सके। फिलहाल 45 शॉर्टलिस्टेड इलाकों में से 25 में इंस्टॉलेशन पूरा हो गया है और बाकी जगहों पर प्रोजेक्ट के अगले चरण में काम होगा। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के अलावा मुख्यमंत्री ने ब्यूटिफिकेशन ग्रांट भी बांटे और पानी की सप्लाई, ड्रेनेज और पैदल चलने के रास्तों जैसी ज़रूरी ज़रूरतों के बारे में कम्युनिटी लीडर्स के साथ बातचीत की। संगमा ने जोर देकर कहा कि सफलता के लिए ज़मीनी स्तर पर लोगों की भागीदारी बहुत ज़रूरी है और बताया कि छोटे पैमाने पर स्थानीय सुधार भी राज्य के बड़े विकास लक्ष्यों और प्रभावी शासन के लिए ज़रूरी है।
As you remember, the last meeting we had discussed about the CCTVs. So I just want to update, apart from today's inauguration of the CCTV here in Mauro, there are another 25 locations roughly which are complete, and another 20 locations which will be completed very soon. So we are a bit late. We had promised November, but I hope by January we should be able to complete and then take up the second phase for the CCTVs, because it's a continuing process. And of course the painting, the My City, Paint My City campaign, we have transferred the funds, and of course we'll be handing over the kind of a ceremonial check to all of you. And of course, as you know, it's only one part of the entire process of beautification. There is much more to it. And the idea, as I said, is really in two very simple things. First thing, of course, is that until and unless the society and the government and the people work together, so the community is working together with us, we will not be able to achieve the kind of reformation and the change that we would like to see. So we are very, very clear on that. Number two is that there is nothing called, small or big development work. We've always believed that even the smallest change that we make can have a very big difference in the overall process and the development that we are targeting. And so even painting a wall, even painting the sidewalks, painting the electricity poles, removing the wires of, and maybe creating underground wiring systems and ducts. Small things like these can make a huge difference in how our city looks. And therefore, we believe in that.